Arthur, what's wrong?
I had the most peculiar dream.
No time for dreams. Look at the clock. You've got 15 minutes to get your granddaughter to St. Euclid's.
Oh, dear.
It's a beautiful morning, Flatlanders, but expect heavy traffic along northern sectors 5.
Not in the house, young lady.
134, as well as the northern quadrant of
Good
Area
morning,
19G.
Hex.
Good morning, Grandpa.
And
I'll fix
now,
our lunches.
Here's today's circle axiom of the day. Ready? Configuration makes the man.
Configuration makes the man. So, Hex, did you memorize your laws of inheritance?
I sure did, Grandpa. Isosceles triangles have baby equilateral triangles. Equilateral triangles have baby squares. Squares have pentagons. Pentagons have hexagons like me. And each new generation gets one new side, until they get so many sides, they look like a circle and become a priest. Everybody knows that.
Oh, do they, little Miss Six Smarty Sides? So, how does shape affect your place in society?
Well, that's what the axiom of the day was about, wasn't it? Triangles work the hard jobs. Squares get to work in an office, but the circles just make rules that everybody else has to obey.
Hex, the correct answer is, the more sides you have, the greater your angles, so the smarter you are.
But, Grandpa, I don't feel any smarter than you just because I have more sides and bigger angles.
Please, sir, she's just a baby!
Section 2.71828. All irregular shapes must be inspected at the ministry for correction or disposal!
Is that what happened to Mom and Dad?
Hex, not here. Let's go. Have a good day, Hex.
Grandpa, I really want to know what happened to my parents.
Hex, one day, when you're old enough. Until then, remember what the circle priests say.
A still tongue makes a happy life.
Can't be late.
Arthur Square.
Miss Helios,
I thought I had made it clear that I expect all ministry employees to arrive on time. There are a dozen squares from other divisions who would give an angle to be in your position. Is that what you would prefer?
No, ma'am. No, certainly not. My apologies.
Get to your squaricle. Now!
Late again, brother?
I was late taking Hex to school.
You know, you're a decent grandfather. Taking her in after you...
I should have done more.
You're only a square. 4 vertices, 90 degrees, and no more.
Thanks, brother.
Hey, you remember when we dreamed about being something more?
Ha! The Brothers Square. Yes, scientists, mathematicians.
And adventurers extraordinaire.
No problem that couldn't be solved.
No equation without a solution.
And no chance of ever happening. Back to work.
Know your places. You'll never be more than 4 sides of mediocrity.
That circle sure gets around.
Listen, I have to tell you something.
What is it?
I had the strangest dream last night.
All employees proceed to the assembly room for a mandatory briefing. Immediately. A happy and coordinated new millennium to you all. Our gracious Circle of High Circles wishes you all another year of productive employment serving the Ministry of Regularity. His Roundness Pantocyclus hereby bestows the following proclamations.
What now? More polygon taxes. Shh.
Every new millennium, the state has been troubled by ill-intentioned persons pretending to have received revelations from another world. A third dimension. Such a notion is, of course, absurd and furthermore, illegal. In addition, these people claim that the Forbidden Area 33H holds evidence to support their heretical claims. These delusional and dangerous individuals, no matter what shape or age, must be reported immediately to any Circle Superior. The Circle of Circles has spoken.
Arthur!
Oh, sorry. What is it?
Arthur, dear, have you been listening? Hex asked you a question.
Grandpa, today the schoolmaster told us about the Circle's new proclamation, and I have a question.
Go ahead, Hex.
What exactly is a dimension?
Well, it might be hard to explain.
Everything is so hard to explain.
But you know what? I used to do quite a bit of geometry in my day. Okay, let's pretend this is a point in space, and we extend it 3 units. We have what? We have 3 to the first power, right? Mm-hmm. All right. We also have a one-dimensional line segment that is 3 units long. So if we take this line segment of 3 units and move it 3 units parallel to itself, we make a square of 3 units on each side, or 3 times 3, 3 to the second power.
9 units in the square.
Smart girl.
I've seen this before.
Hmm? Where?
It looks so familiar. I remember now. I once saw a picture of Area 33H.
Area 33H.
Yeah, you know, the old ruins.
Please, Hex, you're too smart to listen to those conspiracy theories.
Some people say they're a sign.